Hi, my name is Susan Dreyfus. I have the honor and privilege of serving as the CEO of the Alliance for Children and Families. I can't believe it, but it is time for another national conference. You have to be there. October 16th through 18th this year in Minneapolis, we really have developed a wonderfully strategic, aligned conference for our members and their many partners in their communities, and I hope you're going to join us there. We've got 40 workshops that are planned, but sometimes you go to conferences and you get 40 workshops and they're all different and they're all separate. They don't really go into the kind of depth that you need so you can go home with something that you can use. Not this year. What we've done with these 40 workshops is they're tracked, they're targeted, and you're going to have the ability to really leave our conference with some actionable items that you can take home and implement and lead and advocate for in your own community. Great keynotes, folks. This year we're really excited. We have Peter Sims. He is the author of a book called Little Bets. One of the things we say from our Disruptive Forces report is that we have to be in beta testing all the time as a field and as a sector. We have to have cultures of innovation within our organizations. Well, Peter Sims is basically going to show us how historically and looking at this present time, it's when people take those little bets, those small steps of innovation, the real breakthrough happens. And so we hope you're going to enjoy that wonderful keynote that he'll be giving to us. New this year, something we've not done before, but again, we're going to keep beta testing ourselves and trying new and different things that will give you the best conference experience that your money deserves and you want to have. So this year we're going to be doing study tours. You're going to have the opportunity to have experiential learning on the ground in Minneapolis and to see some really innovative things that are going on in Minneapolis around neighborhood revitalization, work that's going on around early childhood and educational attainment, all of those things that our organizations within their communities need to be about as we help society to tackle some of the toughest problems we have around poverty and health and education and employment. So I think you're going to enjoy those study tours, and I hope we're going to see you on board one of those buses in Minneapolis. So I ask you to join me early right now in registering for this conference. You can go to alliance1.org it's NC13. That's the right website. Go to that and you can register early. One of the things, if you get in there early, I'm a jogger. I like to run. So early in the morning, if you want to sign up and run with me the mornings of the conference, feel free. It'd be great to have you along. And if we don't want to run, we'll walk real fast. But to get our blood going before we go into the conferences. I ask you to think about bringing teams. Bring teams of your senior leaders, the CEO and his or her senior leaders. It'd be a great opportunity for you to spread out, cover the conference workshops, come together in the morning, in the evenings afterward, and talk as a team about what you're going to do when you get back home and how we as the Alliance can help support you as you leave that conference, again, ready to think about ways that you and your organization can keep driving through the future during really what are epical times of change for us as a field and a sector. The other thing I ask you to think about doing is bringing board members. We have a lot of board members that attend this conference. It's great for them to hear and understand the strategic and generative concerns and issues that we face as a sector as they help you as an organization to be as strong and vital as you need to be and to have the capacities that you're going to need to have in this ever-changing time that we're in. And this year we want to do something different. We also would like to ask you to think about inviting your public sector colleagues. Our public sector colleagues that too need to understand what's going on in our field and sector and ways through partnership we truly can leverage and create resources together on behalf of children, adults, and communities and families across this great country of ours. So please join us, October 16th through 18th, Minneapolis, a conference you're not going to want to miss, and one that I think you'll realize is the Alliance at its very best, making sure that we're helping you to have the capacities that you need as a high-impact organization, the attributes that you need as a high-impact leader, and knowing that we have your back each and every day as we stand as your radar, helping you to see the next curve before it's upon you. That's our goal, that's our mission, that's our cause. So thanks very much. Look forward to seeing you in Minneapolis, and make sure you're there ready to run with me. Bye-bye.